Check out the hottest and most anticipated ride-on cars from RiiRoo this year. This really is an awesome truck. It looks like a real beast with the power to match. It's suitable for children of up to 9 years of age or up to 133 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 gigahertz parental remote control, opening doors, functioning horn, and a safety belt. Let's take a look at the premium features. All-wheel suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. The low-high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. The adjustable suspension allows you to fine-tune the ride comfort for your child. The off-road wheel design gives the car more grip on uneven surfaces such as grass or dirt. It has a comfortable padded leather style seat. The special fire rescue decals and vinyls are designed to spark your child's imagination. The working bonnet makes the battery more accessible for maintenance. The portable battery feature makes charging and maintenance effortless. Removable boot storage allows you to store items in the car or as a remote unit. The 2-seat capacity allows your child to ride along with their friend or sibling. The separate light switch allows the lights to be switched on or off at will. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.